Good morning, everyone. It's Friday morning. I'm sitting in my chair, and I've seen many videos of third world country mechanics rebuilding engines and transmissions in an open environment, in front of their sand and dirt driveways, in a field. And what I'm trying to say to you is that the auto manufacturers that are having all these engine problems, does it make any sense to you that they're leaving debris behind in their closed environment, engine casting and building shops? And then you have third world countries doing engine rebuilds basically in the middle of a desert in an open environment, and they don't have the engine failure that we do. Does that make any sense to anyone? Think about what I'm saying. They're in their driveway, their backyard, or in a field, and they're tearing apart engine transmissions and rears in an open environment, meaning there's sun, there's air, there's dust, there's this, there's vehicles driving around, and they're rebuilding these vehicles and getting them back on the road. In the United States, that the vehicles that we're buying, current production year vehicles, can't make it off the showroom floor down the street a few months without catastrophic engine and transmission failure. And they have a closed environment development, machining, and assembly process. Think about that. Thanks for watching.